Good morning and welcome to CSIR Connect, and I'm your host, Pasika Davids. Today we are at the International Convention Center in Pretoria, where we are attending our much anticipated SAQI conference. Co-hosted by the CSIR and South African Quality Institute, this conference brings together quality professionals, researchers, and industry leaders with one sole objective: to share insights on strengthening safety, health, environment, and quality excellence across sectors. Let's join the conversation. To kick off our conversation, we are now joined by Trudy Malebye, Quality Manager at the CSIR. Trudy, welcome to Connect.
Thank you, Pasika.
Trudy, today it's Quality Day. Can you please tell us the significance of this day and what does it mean for the CSIR?
Quality Day is about bringing awareness to the CSIR and also to everyone around. And also it's a learning from our colleagues as to what they do and how they do it. And also to celebrate the people that make this possible, being it our leadership, the people that implement this within the different areas, and that would be our quality practitioners. So it's all about celebrating them and celebrating what we've achieved to date.
Thank you very much for that, Trudy. And speaking to quality, right? Can you please share with us what does quality mean within the CSIR context, and how do we integrate it into our research and innovation processes?
Quality, by definition, would be the degree to which our output meets our stakeholders' requirements or expectations. And we're talking about meeting this consistently and not just once off. Within the CSIR, how we've integrated this, we're working very closely with BEI, and we managed to implement this by ensuring that our requirements are captured in the business plans. So basically, your business plan is a measure of your quality. Our business plans within the CSIR covers 80% of what's in the requirement of 9001. But then also remember, when we talk quality, we're not talking just 9001. We're also talking 17025 and any other standard that's out there that talks to quality, and there's a lot within the CSIR.
Now, Trudy, thank you very much for that. Now, on that note, can you please share with us what are some of the expected key learnings from this conference and how will they enhance our quality improvement initiatives?
Our current standard was last reviewed and published in 2014. From then till now, so much has changed. The way that we do business has changed. So what we're expecting to hear the guys telling us or sharing with us, because the whole thing is about learning. So we want to hear them talk about how AI has changed the way we implement quality, how the hybrid working from home, how they've managed to audit such the processes while people are at home and all of those things. I know we've had a bit of struggles within the CSIR, but then, it's something that I'm hoping we learn, how AI has changed the things to date. Now we're talking dashboards, we're talking XGRC in the SHEQ department. And are we in line with what industry is doing, or are we left behind? So basically, we're all here to learn and to see if those things will be applicable and can be implemented within the CSIR.
Trudy, thank you very much for the wonderful insights. Please enjoy the conference and all the best with your quality team.
Thank you, Pasika.
Joining our conversation now is Masopha Moshoeshoe, the Group Manager for Safety, Health, Environment and Quality at the CSIR. Masopha, thank you very much for joining us on Connect.
Thank you.
Masopha, can you please share with us, with so much happening around us, how can organizations keep quality at the center without slowing down progress?
The primary aspect is to understand what is quality management first. I think quality management is the inception of any business. It's how it operates, from how it actually takes in customer expectations to deliver customer satisfaction. And it's all the interactive processes that are involved in there in between. In the current world, we've seen a lot of development, whether it is AI technology, the various changes that we've seen, climate change. There's a lot of impacting a lot of organizations to adapt and be agile. And the biggest factor that any organization needs is have agility and be agile enough that you can change direction due to changing external environment and external circumstances. We cannot sit back and wait and say, well, we'll wait for when the world reaches us. We need to lead sometimes. And as part of our core values, you'll see that we drive for innovation, we drive for excellence, and we strive for that. And to really have good quality, you have to think constant innovation at all times. And you have to think about the future of work, the future of how change is going to adapt, and where the world is going. So we need to be prepared, and that agility is what gives us that opportunity.
Thank you very much, Masopha. Now, speaking of change, what do you think leaders should focus on to keep the strong culture of quality alive?
To keep a strong quality culture alive, it is to drive always that leaders should always keep abreast with latest technology and developments. Whether that is the standards that we have, whether that is the engagements that we have. Like today, we are having our National Quality Day, and for the next few days, we'll be discussing quality in all different spheres of society. And this is an opportunity for us to all learn from one another. And this is why we also embark on this. As a CSIR, yes, we are a research institution, but at the same time, there are those that are actually out there in the world that are actually implementing some of the solutions and saying, this is the lessons learned, this is what we need. And I think leaders should also keep that in mind. Keep yourself abreast, learn all the time, and keep yourself always knowing what is out there.
Masopha, thank you very much for your time. Please do enjoy the conference.
Thank you very much.
Next, we welcome Jacques Snyders, the Managing Director for SAQI. Jacques, thank you very much for joining us on Connect.
Pleasure.
Jacques, can you please share with us the significance of this day, and specifically this week, since it's Quality Week?
Sure. November is quite a busy month, and the second Thursday in November is World Quality Day. The custodians of World Quality Day is CQI, the Chartered Quality Institute. So today we're celebrating World Quality Day. But SAQI over the years have also used this week to promote National Quality Week in South Africa, and that's why it's significant for us as well. And then I think our partners, you the CSIR guys, you guys have your own National SHEQ Week. So I think it's just a lot of celebrations coming together, and we're really honored to collaborate with the CSIR and as a hosting partner. So yeah, it's quite significant, I think, for everybody.
And then leading to my next question, from SAQI's perspective, what is the significance of partnership with the CSIR in advancing the national quality agenda?
Partnership is important to SAQI. So SAQI is not a university, we're not a theoretical institute, we're a practical institute, we train practical skills and collaboration from SAQI's side with business partners. A lot of SAQI's members are business members. So it's important for SAQI to collaborate with business members. It's the business members that is pushing the envelope of change, innovation, and the CSR is the front runner for that. So I think a collaboration and partnership is always important. So from SAQI's perspective, that is important because we keep abreast of what's changing in the world. You guys are the leader in innovation and change. So that relationship is important. And also with other big industry role players, you know, the guys that's coming to our conferences and talking. But I think from CSIR's perspective as well, collaborating with a passionate quality institute, you know, that we can be the knowledge partner, we can be the training partner for the CSIR and help and advance the CSIR quality strategy and quality vision. I think collaboration between both parties is quite important, and we align very well with each other. So I think, yeah, that's very important to us.
Jacques, thank you very much for those wonderful insights, and all the best for today.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
This year's conference served as a reminder that quality is more than just a standard, but it's a shared value that drives innovation and collaboration. Through our continued partnership with SAQI, the CSIR remains committed to fostering a culture of quality, sustainability, and continuous improvement in everything we do. From me, Pastor David, thank you for watching, and remember to stay connected with CSIR Connect.